Improve your business with these affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money, part-time from home or even full-time. If you create interesting content, you will attract readers to your site, and through affiliate ads, you will generate profits. You should follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you create a successful affiliate site. To make sure you are paid for every sale that you make, ask about how the affiliate marketing program you join is going to keep track of your work. Make sure the program you join tracks where the visitor that bought something came from through cookies, and that they count mail or phone orders as well as online ones. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day, should rethink their affiliate partnerships. Read all contracts prior to signing anything. Pay special attention to any exclusivity clauses that may be hiding in there somewhere. It could keep you from selling any other products from any other affiliate programs. This could really limit you to only the things that this affiliate program offers and cap the amount of money you can earn. As was mentioned before in this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to make profits. However, it takes time, effort, and dedication to truly make your site attractive to your readers and stand out amongst the millions of similar sites across the web. Follow these tips in this video to find success through affiliate marketing online. Student loan.